gotten that better. GMC K2500. And right now it's a little bit of a basket case. I've had it for about 8 years now, and it's definitely seen better days. It looked better when I bought it. It was all one color, and it only had like 132,000 miles. Now it's 3 different colors and has 215,000 miles. We're gonna revamp. We're doing a full resto mod on it, and it's quite a journey. It sounds so corny, man. 15,000 on the clock. It's got a tire dash motor, and it's got a wore out rear end and an IFS front suspension and rusty frame, holes in the floor, and all that jazz. You know, specific things to Northern Ohio trucks that are 25 plus years old. Much better. I think it'll be alright. I'd much rather have a helmet on doing this. This is crazy. I've already started the process of rebuilding it. So like, I want to do a whole restoration on it, which is like frame up restoration. But I want to be able to drive it as long as possible. So I got a donor frame. Yeah, this is the truck. We're gonna show you the new one. I'm gonna cut to that. Let's go. Which brings us to this other hoopty we got here. I wanted to drive that truck for as long as possible and do a frame up restoration. So this is my 1997 Chevy K3500. So yeah, we're just gonna strip this thing down and clean the frame up. Sell everything that I don't need, such as the cab and the fuel tank and the diff and everything. This is how it came to me, with only the front on it, no bed, no rear axle. That was pretty funny getting that off the trailer. But today I have the axle welded and done. I made a 2004 F250 rear axle work for it, so it'll be a Sterling 10.5 in the rear. We welded shock mounts to it. We relocated the spring perches, and then we welded the damn track bar mounts to it. It's going to have track bars. It's going to be lifted big and dumb. While I'm here, I'm just going to put the rear axle underneath of it and see if that goes halfway smoothly. But I already started getting parts for it, and I already started building parts for it, such as the track bar mounts, traction bar mounts. And I fabbed up these shackle flip kits myself. And from there, we're gonna go put the rear axle underneath of it. That's enough talking for me, man. Y'all are in a wheelbarrow. I'm gonna time lapse this because it's gonna take forever. Well, that sucks. I also have lift blocks for this thing, just in case, you know, it wasn't tall enough. I seem to not want to do that right now. So, maybe next video we'll put lift blocks in it and see if it's tall enough. But for now, I am toast. I want to go home and shower. And yeah. So, I'm going to put this on its own weight and wheel chalk it. So, the axle's underneath the truck, but I bought U-bolts that came with lift springs, and the threads on the U-bolts aren't long enough. So, lift blocks, not lift springs. So I gotta maybe even put the lift blocks in and make it a little taller. But I measured it when it was decompressed at 12 inches from stock. And then I measured it when it was compressed with the axle and the weight of the truck on it. And it's 19 inches from the bottom of the spring to the bottom of the frame rail. So that's about, just this I'm going to say it was about 6 to 7 inches. Just this. So with the blocks, that'd be another 2 inches, so it would be about 8, 9 inches of lift. And it's gonna be a big old son of a gun, that's for damn sure. Yeah, we're gonna start a truck build thing and see how you like it. Alright. Well, peace. When I tell you that this is hard to do, I ain't lying.